chicken vermicelli soup, which is a good soup which you can cook all year round, and it's very easy. First, we have here chicken breast, but you can also use other chicken pieces. And we have here vermicelli noodle, which you can buy it at any Asian store. We have here olive oil, but you can also use any kind of cooking oil. And we have here the light soy sauce. We have here onion, garlic, ginger, carrot, chicken stock, or any stock that of your choice. This is coriander. You have to chop it into small pieces. And this is celery. We also have here, don't forget this one, very important, salt and pepper. All you have to do is open the plastic and put it in a hot water in a bowl. So you can just soak it like this until it becomes tender. Once it's tender, you have to take it out and drain it. Okay, now we have to heat the oil, and when it's hot, you have to put the onion. Stir the onion and put the ginger. When the mixture of garlic, onion, and ginger are brown, now you can put the chicken pieces and stir it. Chicken is turned brown and most of the water has evaporated. Now this is the time to put the carrots and stir in the carrots as well. Now that carrot is cooked, we have to pour in the stock, the chicken stock, or any kind of stock that is available in your kitchen. Once it's boiling, you can season it with soy sauce. About 1 tablespoon or according to your tastes. Now you can also put the celery once it's boiling. Five to 10 minutes and it's almost done. Smells really, really good. the soup is done. So what we have to do is to serve it. Here are the ingredients. I have to put the vermicelli into the bowl. And next, I will scoop the soup and pour it into the bowl. There, smells good. I can smell it. Really yum. And so you can see it here. And the next thing I have to do, I have to put the coriander. If you don't like coriander, it's optional, but it really tastes good if you put it. And this is really good for winter. And then the final one, you have to put salt and pepper. Season it according to taste. So I just pour that one and a little bit of pepper. Now it's ready. You can taste it like this. Now I have to try. How does it taste? Yum! So that's our chicken vermicelli soup. If you enjoyed watching this video, please keep an eye on Brimbank Neighborhood Houses Facebook page and tune in to our next episode. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.